Hi, I'm Daria, product specialist at Drawer AI. And let me show you today how our branch routing works. Okay, first, the system detects all of the devices on the drawing. You can see them highlighted here. Next, I run circuit grouping. This organizes devices into home run boxes based on panel and circuit assignments. Super quick. Now I set up routing preferences. I add preferred zones to guide the conduit path and no-fly zones to block it. But you can skip this step. Drawer routes everything automatically. But this feature helps me fine-tune the results for the project. And here's the best part. I click Start, and Drawer runs thousands of simulations in the background, optimizing for length, bands, and conduit grouping. And here's the result. Dark blue lines are your home runs. Light blue are your branch runs. All done in minutes. And Drawer doesn't just route these conduits, it does the math too. Conduit sizes, wire counts, total lengths. That means you can just export to Excel and move on to your next bit. That's how we do branch routing at Drawer AI. Easy, right? Check out the links in comments.